Right on, we're here at Wairapa. It's time to spark that chat with Rathkeale. Let's go. What up, Rathkeale? Stoked to be back here. The last time I was here, it was 2023. Our big ethos and our goal was 10,000 students in 10 days. Connecting with you guys, connecting with our future gens, where to do what we can to help and show that we see you and we want to be in and amongst it and connect with you guys. Sparking that chat and connection. This has been a huge one for me over the past 5 years of my journey of why I'm in this space. Paul Renton, Butch Renton, he was Hawke's Bay Farmer of the Year. I'm really good mates with his son. He's also a misfit athlete, co-captain the Highlanders, and he didn't see a way out. And he was a good man. He was a great man. So the point is of why I'm here is to show the power and the courage of open dialogue and sparking that chat. I want to dedicate that to Butch Renton and the Renton family, understanding he's an old boy here. And Huey, much love, brother. So proud of you, and your dad will be so proud of you for doing what you're doing, leading by doing, and sparking that chat proudly. Much love. Cheer to Rathkeale. Let's go.